When we think of Google, most of us think of search engine, a website where you type words and phrases in a text box and it gives you a bunch of search results that you might find useful. But did you know that there's a section of Google which you can use in order to make money every single day without having to invest anything and from anywhere in the world? Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So the first step of this tutorial is to come over to Google and search for Skillshop Google. Then open up the first website that says skillshop.withgoogle.com. This is a section of Google where you will be provided with free courses and free trainings on how you can use their tools, and each time you complete their absolutely free course, you will get a certificate. So you can see it right here. Find free online products, training, and certifications right for you. You can take courses in Google Ads, Google Ad Managers, you can become an authorized buyer, Google My Business, and many more. Now, how will you actually make money from this? Well, you'll see exactly how you can combine these courses with another free tool. Now, I'm going to show you how you can select a payment option, whether you want to get paid through PayPal directly to your bank, credit card, Bitcoin, or whatever payment option you prefer. I'm going to show you how you can set that up, and I'm going to explain exactly why you can get paid from these absolutely free courses. The next thing I want you to do is to click here where it says Get Certified, and now you can see that you can get certified on Google Ads, on Google Marketing Platform, and so on and so forth. So these are mostly the ones you will be focusing on. You can complete courses and get a real certificate after watching the Google trainings for like 3 hours or so. So let me click on that so I can show it. For example, this is a 2.6 hours long course for beginners, which you can watch. And after you watch this course, you will get a real certification, and that will make you money on the next platform. And you'll see exactly why those people will pay you for that certification. Now, if you don't want to complete those courses because you want a shorter one, then click on a shorter one right here, which are 0 to 5 minutes long courses. And fortunately, under the Google Ads certification section, there are no courses that are 5 minutes long. So let's try with medium. So there is no medium as well. So you will need to go with long courses. So there are 20 minutes plus courses. Now, in case you don't want to complete the Google Ads certification and you don't want to go through the Google Ads training, just go back to skillshop.withgoogle.com. Go to Get Certified and grab other courses. Watch them until the end and get a certificate. I know you might be thinking to yourself that it's going to be boring and it's gonna take a lot of time. Well, trust me, you don't want to do it because just in a minute, you will see how that will make you a lot of money. Not once, not twice, but again and again every single day. And you will just do this once. You just need to watch the course once for 2 hours. And after that, you don't have to do it ever again. So just sacrifice like 2 hours in the course, watch until the end, learn something new, and get paid because you have the certificates and that you've taken the course. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now, once you got the Google certification, you will need to go to the next website that will actually pay you because you have the Google certification, and that website is called freelancer.com. So come over to this platform where you can either come as a freelancer and get paid for your skills, or maybe come as an individual who wants to hire someone that has skills. Well, obviously, you're not here to spend any money, right? We are here just to make money, and that's why you can browse jobs by clicking on the Browse Jobs section right here. And you can see if you search for Google Ads or Google Advertising or paid advertising, you can see that people are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for Google Ads managers. So once you go to the Google Ads training, you will know exactly what it means and exactly how it works. Because Google themselves will explain you everything step by step. Their courses are really professional and you can learn a lot from it in details. I mean, it's not hard at all, but still, you will learn the basics that you need to make money for this. And now, here in this page, you have hundreds of projects. They're gonna pay you hundreds of dollars to do Google Ads for them because you went through the program, through the Google program. You have a certificate and you'll be able to get hired from these guys because they will see you have a certificate, so they will hire you. Just on that page, the first page, you can find loads of people who will pay you hundreds of dollars for those Google Ads because you are obviously a certified Google Ads marketer. And there are new coming in every single day. People will post new jobs, new projects for you. So there will be no shortage of money to be made with this strategy. And all you literally have to do is to watch the absolutely free Google course, get a certificate, and use that certificate to enter these jobs. And from that point, you can have 3 to 4 different projects running every single day. And that means over $1,000 a day just by completing projects on freelancer.com. Of course, not every person will accept you, but most of them will because obviously you are now an experienced Google marketer and you have a certificate to prove that. Apparently, this is a great strategy. That's why I recommend you to jump on it as soon as possible because this is a pretty much new method to make money online. So before a lot of people start doing this, I want you to go and try it yourself. You will be one step ahead because there's not a lot of competition here. Trust me, like 99.9% of people on freelancer.com who are submitting proposals for these projects don't have a Google certificate. So you are like 10 steps ahead of them. Because when the person that does the job finds out that you have a certificate from Google themselves, then they'll definitely hire you. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, go over to skillshop.google.com, watch those courses for absolutely free, learn as much as you can from them, take the certificates, it's going to last you for a lifetime. Visit freelancer.com, start submitting to those jobs, and enjoy your money. Now, in order to properly set this up, just come over to freelancer.com, click on I want to work right here. So not I want to hire, but I want to work. And there you'll be able to set up your payment options, whether you want to get paid to PayPal, to your bank, or to whichever payment option you prefer. Just sign up and you can select a payment option in this website for absolutely free. So I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in some of the next videos.